everyone! Today we're going to be opening up this Play-Doh Cupcake Celebration play set. And in here there are 5 tubs of Play-Doh and 3 of them are Plus Play-Doh. So let's get ready and open this up and start making our very own cupcakes. So let's open this up from the top. Here are some items that we're going to need. I see a little spoon to scoop up the Play-Doh. Here's the little top carousel parts. Here's all of our Play-Doh. Looks like we have blue, pink, and yellow, which are our Play-Doh Plus, and we have orange and red. Here's the bottom of our Play-Doh kit, and inside we can see little stamps like this little teddy bear, a flower, a heart, and even some fish right here. We can put these on our cupcakes. Here are some of the accessories for our cupcakes, like little holders and a little plate. Here's another tool. Here's a cupcake holder. And here's a stand. So we took everything outside of the bag, but now we have to put it all together. So let's start off with just a few pieces. Now we're going to be adding the cupcake holders onto the Ferris wheel. We need to add in a few more things. Now that we have everything all set up, we can now start making our custom cupcakes. I'm going to start with this red cupcake holder, and I'm going to be making a vanilla cupcake. Super soft and squishy Play-Doh. So what you're going to do is make a little ball and press it into the cupcake holder. And you're going to pull it out, and then there's the top of my cupcake. I want to take off the extra Play-Doh around it. And then you're going to set it back on top. So there's my little cupcake, and then what I'm going to do next is put it on the Ferris wheel. I'm going to decorate my little cupcake right now, and I'm going to be putting it on its Ferris wheel. I'm going to put in the red one, and then let it slide right here, and then I'm going to be adding some swirl. I'm going to be using some of this red Play-Doh for the swirl. And what I'm going to do is press down. Then I'm going to be using one of the stencils, and I'm going to be taking some more yellow Play-Doh, and I'm going to put it right here where there's a smiley face. there is my little smiley face, and I'm going to put it right on the cupcake. So this cupcake's all done. Let's do another cupcake. And this time I'm going to be using this yellow one. And I'm going to use the orange Play-Doh for this one. So this time we're going to be using this little machine right here, and I'm going to use the pink plus Play-Doh. This is what came out. These are our little sprinkles, so you get to tear them apart and put them onto the cupcake. So let's add on our little sprinkles that we made. Let's do something a little different now. Let's make a macaroon, which is really easy to do with right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be using the orange Play-Doh. I'm going to tear what I want in half. And I'm going to press down a little bit. I'm going to close this really, really hard. And then here is one piece of my macaroon. Then I'm going to take in the other part of my Play-Doh. Put just a little bit more. I'm going to squeeze down again. So here are the two pieces of my macaroon. Now I'm going to be making the filling. The filling that I'm going to do is yellow, and I'm going to be making it into a ball and then lightly press down on it. Alright, so now let's start making another cupcake. And I'm going to be taking this green one, and I'm going to be using the blue Play-Doh. I'm going to be taking the red Play-Doh here and be putting it in the little stencils. Here's a little flower, but we need to take out all the extra Play-Doh around it. And I'm going to be putting it on my blueberry cupcake. Now I'm going to be adding some more items on here, like this little bow. And I'm going to be placing that one right here too. There's also a cute little star I could do. Here's my little star. I'm going to be placing him right there. And for my last item, I'm going to go and do this little flower. Then here's my little dry blueberry cupcake. Let's go to our blue cupcake holder, and I'm going to be mixing it with this pink one. Now I'm going to be using the rest of my yellow Play-Doh and putting it in here. And I'm going to do my little swirl on my pink cupcake. Here is our last cupcake holder, which is our pink one, and I'm going to be making a red cupcake on it. So now I'm going to be adding some blue swirl to my cupcake. And for fun, I made a little cookie, so I'm going to be putting that on top of my cupcake. And we're all done with these cupcakes. Alright everybody, we are all done unboxing and playing with this Play-Doh Cupcake Celebration. Inside this box there were 5 tubs of Play-Doh and 3 of them were Play-Doh Plus. So you get to make your very own cupcakes by putting on swirls and sprinkles and other little items that you can stencil out. You can make cookies and macaroons really easily. It was a lot of fun and really easy to set up. So thanks you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check us out on Facebook at Toys View. Bye everybody!